agrees with.
No.
You think he's on the Rubio side?
He thought it was bipartisan.
The fuck?
Oh, look, he's mad at Republicans. That's how dumb they are. I get he's a big tech head and all this stuff and has a nose ring.
So, do you remember back in the days when Beck used to be the main guy to watch on Fox? Him and O'Reilly would go at it, and he was coming up, and he would get up and he would do his shows. And I was on Beck one time, and he would show all this other stuff. You know,
yeah, he was like drawing the chalkboards.
Yeah, and Hitler did this, and
pulled right out in front of me, Dick.
Conspiracy, and it's tight. You know, and even Rush. But these guys haven't been banned off Twitter. These guys haven't been banned off YouTube. You've been banned. So what is that part of it? Because let me read something.
Let me ask you this question: why do you think it is?
Why?
Because it sure as hell isn't because they say I question Sandy Hook.
No, I don't think that's the only thing.
No, it's because I cover the political system and how they're setting up a world government and how they want eugenics,
typical
population, and how the communist Chinese merge with our big tech companies to take over the U.S.
Turn right. You're in the right turn lane, Dick.
And you believe that 100%.
After you cut in front of me and almost hit me.
The rest of the guys are not off.
Fucking hold up the whole line.
Beck is not a guy that they agree with. Why is Limbaugh not off? Why is Milo still back on? And Milo may be one of the most annoying social media guys.
He's still banned on Twitter. Well, let me ask this question.
What I'm trying to tell you
is, smart guy. Why do you think I'm banned?
I think it's oversight.
Come on, go!
You say, well,
go! Turn right. You're in the right lane.
They would say with the punch they
come
put
on.
go. So you don't get too excited you want to have sex because when you
come on. Right turn lane.
See opposition, so they got to tame you down a little bit. Now that was a they were saying that.